Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
You said you want a bad one. Well, baby, I'm as bad as they come. Said you want a hot one. Yeah, you with the hottest under the sun. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargain for. Fun to flirt, but promise to deliver. Much is required. Cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You said you want a real one. Well, it don't get no realer than the realest one. Baby, can you handle me? If you really want it, better come get you some. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your word. If I'm more than what you bargained for. One dessert, but you ain't finished dinner. Much is required. Cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. No, You'll never miss a good thing until it's gone. Oh, baby, you know you're wrong. Yeah, I know you're gonna own it right back. Say you changed, but baby, I know that's cap. I see reality, and the fact is you ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, need me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be, can't deny.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright. Alright y'all, so the unit I am rocking was sent to me by Luvme Hair. Shout out to you, Luvme, for sending this unit and sponsoring this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the details and specs. They didn't tell me what length they were going to send me, and I didn't see it anywhere, so just check the description box because it'll be down there. Okay, so it says 4C edges, kinky edges, straight, kinky edges, kinky straight, 5x5 closure, HD lace glueless, mid part, long wig, 100% human hair. Child, can she not read tonight, y'all? I am filming at night. Nobody's here, so nobody's here, so I can do that. So anyways, this unit is available in 16, 18, 20, and 22 inches. Y'all, I have let, I think it's a horsefly. I hope it's not a horsefly, but it's a big fly. I have let it in the house. Long story, but if you see it roaming around, try to pay it no mind, okay? All right, y'all. So this wig, it says 4C edges and undetectable lace, flawless melt like growing right from the head, glueless, install, wear and go, can take off daily, no extra work. Perfect alternative for sleek baby hair, 100% human hair, soft and durable, can be reshined and dyed. I mean, not reshined, child, what? Girl, can be restyled and dyed. Low maintenance, finding beauty is never easier, can be mid and side parted. So it also says 100% human hair from one donor. The model is wearing 20 inches. It lasts for more than a year. It's 150% density. It's a natural color, 4C edges, and there are a total of 4 combs and undetectable Swiss lace, and it's 5x5 closure. All right, y'all. So this wig can be worn glueless. I chose not to because, honey, I got this new spray, this even spray. I don't know, Chrissy inserted somewhere on the screen so they can see, and just put it right here or something. Child, this spray is life, okay? Life. And I am here for it, so I'm sorry. Right now I gotta use it in their video. It has been a game changer, okay? But anyways, back to the wig. But you can wear it glueless for sure. It is a closure wig, and that lace really just melts right on in, honey, okay? It just melts right on in. Now these are this unit did come with 4C baby hairs. I chose to swoop them. Like, you guys have seen me style my 4C edges, like leave them as is. You have seen me do the swoops. You've seen me apply a little mousse. I just be trying stuff, but I decided with this one I wanted to do the swoops because, honey, they're given. Okay, I love how easy it is to do swoops with those 4C edges, and they do revert back because I had a bunch of them, and after I washed them, even the ones that I had swooped, once I washed them, they reverted back to that kinky texture. So I'm pretty sure this one will as well. And as far as this wig being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is. I did adjust the straps and I did adjust that elastic band so it would fit snugly. That also makes it really easy to be worn glueless as well. So in my opinion, it's more big head friendly than small head friendly because I did have to adjust the straps, and I am an average cap size. But girl, that is purely speculation, because I only got the head that's on my shoulders, and I'm an average cap size. So girl, do with that what you want to do with that. Okay, girl, do with that what you want to do with that. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, honey, oh girl did none of the things. Okay, she did none of the things. Did she? No, she did none of the things. Straight out of the packaging. That's not to say oh girl won't at some point. Just a straight out of the packaging. Oh girl did none of the things. And what else? There's one other thing I wanted to say about this wig. No, can't think of it. All right, so that's pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 3C. Oh, I also want to mention I did not bleach this unit whatsoever. Okay, what you see is what you get. All right, I did not bleach it at all. I just applied my bronzer underneath and slapped the old girl on. Okay, that's it, that's all. If you're interested in the pros and cons as well as the full 360 and a length check, then please continue to watch. Girl, get it together. It's something about it being night, honey. It's something about it being night. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons because I like to end on a high note, but I'm gonna keep it all buck, sis. I couldn't think of now. I couldn't think of not one con. I tried. I couldn't think of one. I don't know. Maybe y'all can list a con that you guys see down below. But I honestly couldn't think of now. So okay, I'm gonna say that it's a closure. I love closures, but I know everybody don't. So that's just gonna have to be the con. Okay, girl. It's just gonna have to be it. Now the pros are endless. First of all, my pro is gonna be what I used as a con. I love a closure. I I love a closure, and closures love me, okay? Me and closures are here. So I love that it is a closure. I also love the kinky texture. I love the 4C edges. I love that this unit is a throw on and go, honey, okay? And you know I love this texture. So yeah, those are the pros. Yes, I would obviously recommend this wig, girl. I struggled to find a con. You know I would recommend it. Yes. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. Ugh. Let me get myself together. I got on this very long robe thingy, jacket thingy. All right, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. Hope you guys can see. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. I want to say it's 22 inches. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Just guess. But this is where it comes to me. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, I am feeling it. Like, can you tell? I keep looking at myself. Whenever you see me cutting my eyes, I'm looking at myself. Okay, I'm being very vain right now. So when you see me looking over there, I'm being vain. But anyways, let me know if you guys are feeling this wig as much as I am. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Once again, shop You Love Me. You are always coming through with the come through. Okay, shout out to you, okay, for sponsoring this video. And if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helps Missy on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I'll see you love bugs next time. Bye.
The looks you love completely. Got every style